Hello students, today I would like to take up the topic, the tips for writing good business letter. So since we all know business letters are official letters and before drafting it, we have to follow certain guidelines before sending it, okay? So certain points, important points we have to remember while writing the business letter to make it more effective, okay? So to proceed, we should always remember the 5 C's while writing a business letter. So what are the 5 C's? Let's check. It should be courteous, considerate, concise, clear and complete. So what do you mean by courteous? That means we should be very polite in our approach, okay? And considerate, we should consider everything from the receiver's end, okay? We should give him some consideration to the people who are receiving our message or to whom with we are communicating. Next, concise. That means each and every point should be very brief and everything should be put in a nutshell. It should be concise. Next is clear. Clarity in your message is very important so that the receiver will get the idea of what you are meaning and accordingly he will take the action. Okay, so it should be very clear without any complexities, without any complications, without any ornamental words. Avoid unnecessary ambiguous words. Next is complete. The letter should always be complete without leaving essential points. Okay. When we write a business letter, we have to remember the purpose of the letter and use a suitable style. We should be very clear in our mind why we are sending the letter, whether it is letter of complaint, letter of order, letter of inquiry. So we have to sort it out accordingly and use the style of writing accordingly. Okay. Okay, to proceed, in business correspondence, you should be polite but not timid. You should be very polite, but at the same moment, you should be bold enough. You should not just give away or try to be timid. That is very important. You should be direct but not rude. You should be direct in your approach. You should say the things clearly you want to communicate, boldly. But on the other hand, say it in a polite manner without being rude or offending the other party, offending the receiver. Okay? Your message should be concise but not abrupt. That means it should be, as we discussed earlier, it should be brief, but it should not be incomplete. Taking points from here and there and making a mess out of it and leaving all the important points. So it should not be abrupt but concise and complete. Okay. Next, it should be firm. You should be firm but not inflexible. You should stick to your point and you should be flexible. You can be flexible to some extent, but you cannot be completely inflexible. Okay, that you should avoid. Okay, now let's see what are the other points to be followed. What are the other important things to keep in mind while writing a business letter or making a business correspondence. As I always tell you, first thing, it's very simple. Your message should be very simple and clear. It should be direct, courteous, and in business correspondence, always avoid curtness. That means straight away, cutting off things, straight away saying no to others. That is curtness. Verbosity. That means you should not continuously go on speaking. You should not be a verbose. That means just not listening to others, but you are continuously speaking. That should be avoided. Avoid jargons. That is very important because jargons always irritate others. Jargons, as you all know, the false language. Okay, that is known as jargons. Don't use any unnecessary scientific or official jargons. We have different types of jargons like LPW, yeah, ASP. So don't use such language. Next, avoid all irrelevant details. As we discussed throughout, your message should be very relevant, clear and precise. So it should be complete by itself and avoid the use of irrelevant details. write only the essential things which are required for the transaction. Okay, thank you students.